And approaching the ring, from Toronto, Canada, the Doctor.
I'm excited for this one. Randy Orton's a third-generation superstar. His amazing physical prowess led him to become the youngest world heavyweight champion in history. Oh, the Viper's always looking to strike. Doc reverses it. Oh, man, you take a shot like that, and you feel it for weeks. He's putting those educated feet to good use. The name Orton and the word history go hand in hand. I think about WrestleMania 20, when Randy made his WrestleMania debut in the same building his dad did for the first Showcase of Immortals back in 1985. At WrestleMania 20, Randy scored the pinfall for his team that night and gave a glimpse of the WrestleMania greatness that was to come. He drops the elbow. A good reversal by Doc. He's squeezing on that bear hug. Great reversal. Nice reversal there. Jerry, you talked before about Randy Orton's WrestleMania debut. Yes, sir. Even Orton himself, with all of his arrogance and cold-blooded demeanor, will admit it was special for him to be in New York City for his WrestleMania debut. Regardless of if you like Randy Orton or not, we certainly witnessed history in the making. Well, Michael, seeing Randy Orton at WrestleMania 20 was special, and it was indeed historic. His dad, Cowboy Bob, was one of the most hated villains at the first WrestleMania in 1985. And when you saw Randy come out as a part of Evolution 20 years later, you could tell this was the moment he had been waiting for. No, not again! Time. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. Nice move. Randy Orton, no problem getting out of that one. Showing some adversity right now. Doc reverses it. There he goes. Oh no! What's he gonna do here? Hey guys, this is not the Spanish announce table. This is ours. Randy, oh no! The table imploded from the impact. You can bet that the crowd knows the history of Randy Orton, a third-generation superstar. Fans know Randy truly is the Viper, the apex predator, and a man who is so cunning and so lethal he can achieve whatever goal he sets for himself, and has throughout his WWE career. He was able to reverse that. The ref is getting closer to 10. Just trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake here. And we're going back between the ropes. He's in position, ready to strike. Whoa! He's measured. Oh my! Someone's getting a taste of their own finishing move. He was one step ahead on that one.
takes a hard shot. He's in big trouble. Look, Doc with a thunderous impact. Into the cover, hooks the leg. 2, 3. Doc wins.